So mini splits are ductless air conditioning units that consist of an outdoor compressor unit connected to one or more indoor air handling units that are mounted to walls or in the ceiling. Mini splits deliver air directly from the indoor unit into the room where it's installed. So this makes them perfect for room additions, converted garages, or home renovations without the need for existing or new ductwork.
Okay.
Each indoor unit can be controlled independently, allowing different temperatures in different rooms, which can significantly reduce costs. Mini splits are also quieter than, say, window units. They're very popular for historic home renovations where installing ductwork simply isn't an option due to the aesthetic and architectural constraints.
Right.